All right. Can everyone hear me okay? I just want to make sure everyone can hear everything I'm saying. Can everyone hear what I'm saying? We all good? Yeah, perfect. Awesome. So, for those of you guys who don't know who I am, my name is Kyle and I am the co-founder of Slapstocks, and today is Sunday 1/31/2021, and we're doing Sunday stock talks. So for those of you guys who are new, what these are is basically it's my first time looking over the market, seeing what's going on and stuff. And then I do an analysis of what I think is going to happen for the week, and then afterwards, when I'm done with that, you guys get to ask any stock related questions or anything like that. Any stock related questions or stocks you want me to look at or anything like that, I'll look at them for you. So let me see here. I say we start with what's going on right now. So, I mean, obviously we have our fibs already drawn here. We did gap down pretty hard at the start of futures open. So for those of you guys who don't know, futures open at 6 p.m. Eastern. So when they opened up at 6 p.m. Eastern, we had a massive gap down. You can see that happen here. I'll put on the 1 minute. So we had these fat moves occur here, and eventually we got to a point where we were down to 365. But we're making a nice push upwards here. I'd like to see us get above and hold above 36.94. I say above 36.94. I want us to hold above 36.94 to get a nice gap push all the way back upwards to 36.7. Because if we came back up to 30, sorry, not 36.7, 3,700. That's what I meant. My bad. Because we can get this gap fill back up to 3,700, that'd be perfect. See, because if we pull up our chart here, oh wait, you guys can't even see what I'm seeing. My bad. There we go. There we go. There we go. My bad. My bad. Sorry about that. So like I said, so we gapped down at open right here. We can see that happen here. We're getting a nice push back upwards that's happening along the way here. But I'd like to see us make the gap fill all the way back up to 3,700 right here. Because then if we get that gap fill, that'd be perfect for a nice push upwards to these levels here. So if we can get above 3,700, we should look for 37.12 next. And then after 37.12, we'll look for 37.30, 37.34, around this range. Because this is what I would say is our major range right here. Just right here. Let's see here. Why did I not? There we go. Because if we look back, we see that this level right here, 3688, 3690 right here is a major level. So the fact that we're holding right here is perfect. So that intends that we should go back up here, honestly. So yeah, I honestly want to look for a push back up into this area. If we can get up here, we should start making our way back upwards to 378s to 380s. I want us to hold though above 3. Actually, I say we make our way back up to around like 375 this week. 375 is my target for this week, I'd say. If we can make it back up there, that'd be perfect. If not, for the downside, I'd like to see us get below 365 again. 365.9 right here. If we can get below 365.9, it's going to be getting very rocky. Because then our next levels don't happen for quite some time. Like, I mean, I think our next levels we'll be looking for is 3651 to 3650 and 3640. So this can either get really nice and start recovering, or it can get very rocky coming forward. So just be careful with that. What else do we want to look at? We can look at the trades that I currently have going still. So I have not sold anything yet. I've not sold out of a single thing yet. As you see here, I still have all my plays running. Still have everything going. TSPG, TSMP, everything here. I have not sold out of anything yet. We are holding all of these because I believe in every single one of them. And remember, these are all long-term holds for the most part. I'm not going to make money overnight. EVIO took us a couple months just for it to pop over 100%, but once it did, we finished our $500 account to $1,000 with only 15 trades. So patience pays off. But other than that, I don't really think I have anything else I want to talk about right now. So go ahead and ask what type of stocks you guys want me to look at and everything like that. Pit seasons, it's on starting soon. Nvidia been consolidating. When do you expect to pop? Let's look at Nvidia. Let's pull this over here. Nvidia been consolidating. All right, let's see here. So we have Nvidia. It is holding a nice bottom right here at this 516 level. Ooh, we're getting a nice pop up on the S&P right now. Nice bounce occurring. Should reach upwards. This is a beautiful push we're getting. I don't want to miss this move, so I'm gonna just capture it on a smaller time frame here. We'll be using, yeah. So what this is this is known as the E-mini future. So I'm not going to be making or losing as much. This one moves $1.50 per tick, so it's easier to play nicer moves without losing a lot more, and saves your risk. So we'll put that stop there just because that looks nice. Actually, I'm gonna drop a little bit right there. Perfect. Cool. So now we got that running right now. But yeah, here, sorry. Let me go look at Nvidia for you. Oh, it's just been bouncing hard. It's just been bouncing. It's been stuck for quite some time. Let's get rid of all these levels here. This one too. Um, it's just really stuck, honestly. I mean, there is clear support going on right here. So we'll say there's clear support right there showing. If we wanted to, we could drop it down just a tiny bit just to be safe, like right there. You know, completely safe. If we wanted to, let's see. Yeah, maybe it's just gone insane. Let's see if I can figure out where could I draw my levels at. Video is really hard, honestly. Like this just looks like a mess. But the fact that I mean, they do have earnings coming up the 22nd, so you could get a nice run up there. But honestly, I see a lot of downside to this. I see a lot more downside than upside right now. So I'd be looking for a break below 507. Like 507, 505 level right here. I'd be looking for a break below that. Start looking for 500, then 493, 492, 491, 08. Start looking for those levels on the downside. But if we manage to get above 525, look for upwards of 545, 544 to 545. Look at that, we're getting that beautiful pop on SPY now. Perfect. But yeah, that's what I'd be looking for Nvidia. It's very hard to tell, honestly, because like you can just see here that it's just been bouncing hard since November. It's just been stuck here. So it really needs a nice push upwards in order to get out of this mass here. But once it can get out, that'd be perfect. Let's see, what else? CRSR. CRSR, they have earnings coming up as well. Hmm. They have earnings the 9th. We draw our trends. We have a nice trend kind of forming here. This is just ran up insanely. It's doing well though. What is that CRSR? Gaming. Mm, designs and supplies hardware components for personal computers and companies. Hmm. Kind of like this one. I mean, is their hardware good? I've never used this company's stuff before, so I couldn't tell you exactly how well there is, but I'm assuming it's pretty well. I know the esports community is still growing. It's growing really well too. This could be a good long-term hold. They could be competing depending what type of hardware and stuff they make. They could be competing with Nvidia and AMD, or they could be helping them depending what they make again. But if they, like I said, if they do really well on their earnings, it could easily go up to maybe around 50s to the 50s again. If this keeps on pushing upwards, it could be possibly $100 stock. This kind of looks like a good long-term hold. I'd kind of wait though to see what happens on their earnings on the 9th. But with the trend and everything that it's showing, it does show a nice hold. Maybe grab some equity. I wouldn't play any options for this, especially with the earnings or any contracts. So yeah, I'd say if you grab here, I'd wait for it to go to at least 40 to 48 again. But your safe bet is to wait for a bounce around 36 to 35.3 to 35.5. Anything below that, you're gonna flush downwards to your 32.65 and your 33.82 levels. What else? But I mean, it looks good, honestly. It really does look good. Everything about this company looks solid from what I see. So, yeah, good find. I'm gonna save this one for sure. Adding that to the watch list. Market red. Cool. Cool. Okay, what else? Pen. I'll look at pen. Y'all are quiet. Start typing in ticker symbols you want me to look at. I've only had 3 now. Give me some more. Um, Pens kind of seem to top out here. Pens really seem to top out. They do have earnings coming up as well on the 4th. So, Thursday. Earnings on Thursday. Not bad. Not bad. Mm, Dave Portnoy always has something up his sleeve. I can see this honestly going upwards. This could be a very good hold. Let's see here. I think that's kind of worrying. I mean, we have this here. Then you have what else? I mean, there's not much to go off of here. Since I mean, we can consider this a middle point. The point of control, we'll call it. Actually, we'll just get a real point of control. Wait, chart settings. No, studies. Perfect. And then what else? Study settings. No. Chart values. Over here we go. Let's see here. So where's our point of control? Well, yeah, 103.84. Let's say our point of control is actually a little bit higher. So it's like right there. This is like where our point of control is at. you want pen to get above this level here, 105.4. Alright, cool. Yeah, so if yeah, okay, that makes sense. So pen can get above this point of control level here, this 103, 104 line here. Look for it to start going up to about, I'd say 105, 106. Yeah, 105, 105.4, 105.5, 106. Start looking for it to push up to there. Get above there. Let's try and see if we can make another push upwards out of this range here. 107, 108 up here. So just kind of be on the lookout for that as well. What else? For the downside, if it doesn't break upwards here, I'd say below 102, start looking for 100. And then after 100, start looking for like 99. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Just stop me out to the tick and then go up. Awesome. It's exactly what you don't want to happen. Oh, that makes me mad. But yeah, that's what you want to look for pen. So next one we'll do is Apple. Oof. Oof, that does not look good one bit. That does not look good. It is holding the resistance level here. It has to continue to hold this level though. If it can't hold anymore. Yeah, it has to hold here. I say it has to hold. If it can't hold this level here, it's going to drop back down to around 127 or 126.5. But if it can hold upwards, start looking for it to curl above 132.7. And above 132.7, start looking for a push upwards to 134 to 136. Let's see. Let's check our fib levels here. Yeah. So 133.8 is our initial level that we want to look for it to run above for Apple. Let's see what else. Solar Flare Technologies. Producer, what do these people do? Smart Energy Technology. I mean, it's been doing amazing, honestly. Holy cow, $77. That's a perfect return. Oh my gosh, that's insane. That's insane. We do kind of have like a little head and actually, I don't know. Maybe a little bit like a head and shoulders pattern here, I'd say. Head and shoulders going on. Should continue to drop. If it goes below 280.4, look for it to drop down to around 265 before it finds support again. What else? Yeah, it is in a downtrend too. That's what you have to be careful for as well. So if we look here, we have our nice support showing, but then we also have this downtrend here forming. So this is known as like a descending triangle pattern forming right here. So what essentially, like I was saying, is it needs to flush below this level here. If it flushes below here, then we have to look for these bottom levels of 264, 265, 260. But if it can break out of this, I'd say above 300. Look for this to move upwards to 320. Let's see what else. I'll do CLSK. This is not a bad one either. Miscellaneous. Advanced energy software and contact technology and control technology. There's a plug and play enterprise solution to modern energy market. Sounds interesting. But again, this one is also in a downtrend pattern forming here too. I mean, you can, yeah, you have that going. You have your support level here. What else? It really needs this breakout here. So I say a break above 27.5. Look for 29.3 to 30. If it gets below 25.4, look for 24.4. Below 24.4, look for 24. After 24, look for 23 to 22. Alright, let's see, what else? I'll do IPO next. Holy cow, this one's been doing nice. This is a blank check company, which means merge. Okay. Um, do they have a merger coming up? Is that why you want me to look at this stock? Let's see. I'll do some research. Um, no, IPO is not Lucid Motors. IPO is SoFi. Okay, I know what this is. I know exactly what this one is. Okay, cool. This one is doing amazing, honestly. This is going crazy. Let's see here. I honestly may grab this one for the long term because if SoFi has their SPAC deal with them, the merger and everything that this is talking about, IPO could run very nicely. I'll probably grab some of this at the open, and I could see this easily going to 28 to 30. I'll just grab some shares though. Nothing, nothing crazy. Probably just 100 shares. Just something light. I'd say, yeah. Mm, yeah. This looks really nice. This looks really nice. Um, yeah. I'll probably buy into IPO at open on Monday. This one looks nice. This looks really good. But okay. Looks like I'm all done for today's Sunday Stock Talk. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like and thumbs up, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And I'll see all of you guys tomorrow. Let's get ready to print.